Hey everyone, if you've been hunting for the best portable heater and fan of 2026, you can finally stop searching. This might be the last climate control device you'll ever need to buy. It's no surprise that AERIOQ has quickly become one of the best-selling portable 2-in-1 heating and airflow devices in the United States this year. Thousands of customers have been choosing it because it offers an efficient and convenient way to stay comfortable throughout the year without relying on bulky heating or cooling systems. Whether it's freezing in the winter or you simply need better air circulation during warmer months, most people end up buying separate devices for each season. That means more clutter, higher costs, and less convenience. I put the AERIOQ through real-world testing for several weeks, and the results genuinely impressed me. The AERIOQ is engineered to be compact, lightweight, and truly portable. You can easily move it from your bedroom to your office, garage, RV, camper, or any other room in just seconds. There's no complicated installation, no window kits, no water tank to refill, and no technician required. Simply plug it in, choose your preferred setting, and enjoy either fast PTC heating during colder days or natural airflow whenever you want better air circulation. Quick warning, fake versions of this product are already popping up everywhere. I've dropped the official link in the description below so you can get the genuine one with full warranty. What truly sets the AERIOQ apart from many other portable devices in 2026 is that it combines two functions in one compact unit. It delivers fast PTC ceramic heating when temperatures drop and switches to natural airflow mode whenever you simply want fresh air circulating through your space. During my testing, the heating performance was impressive. My bedroom became noticeably warmer within just a few minutes, making cold mornings much more comfortable. The airflow mode was also great for keeping air moving without using a bulky fan. Another feature I really appreciated was the remote control. Being able to adjust the settings, change modes, or control the unit without getting up made it much more convenient for everyday use, especially while relaxing, working, or lying in bed. It also features multiple operating modes, adjustable settings, and a modern compact design that fits nicely into almost any room without taking up much space. The truth is, many portable heaters either take too long to warm a room, make too much noise, or simply aren't versatile enough to use year-round. The AERIOQ avoids those common problems by combining efficient heating, natural airflow, portability, and user-friendly controls in one device. If you're looking for a practical solution to stay comfortable throughout the year, whether you're at home, in your garage, RV, camper, or office, the AERIOQ is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest product tests, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.